In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a text box in the Wix editor. This is a quick and useful way to make your website feel more dynamic and polished, especially if you want important text to stand out as visitors move through the page. To begin, open your target web page in the Wix editor using Chrome. Make sure you're on the exact page where the text appears because any animation you apply will affect that specific element on that page. Working in Chrome can also help ensure the editor runs smoothly and that all toolbar options display as expected. Once the page is open, locate the text box you want to animate and click directly on it. Be sure you're selecting the actual text element, not the strip, column, or container around it. When the correct text box is selected, you'll usually see its editing controls appear nearby. Taking a second to confirm you've chosen the right element can save time, especially if you have multiple text areas close together. After selecting the text box, look for the floating element toolbar that appears next to it. In that toolbar, click the animation icon, which looks like a flying box symbol. This is the control that opens the animation settings for the selected text element. If you don't immediately see the icon, pause for a moment and make sure the text box is still actively selected. Sometimes clicking away from the element can hide the toolbar, so simply click the text again if needed. Opening the animation menu is the key step that allows you to begin customizing how that text appears on the page. This is especially helpful when you want to guide attention to headings, promotions, or short pieces of important information. Even subtle motion can improve the visual experience when it's used intentionally. As you work, try to keep your website's overall style in mind. Animation should support the content, not distract from it. A clean, well-placed animated text box can help your page feel more modern and engaging while still remaining easy to read. And that's it for this part of the process. You've opened your page in the Wix editor, selected the text box you want to work with, and accessed the animation controls through the floating toolbar. From here, you're ready to continue refining the effect and improving the presentation of your website text.